Three little pigs built three little houses. One was straw, one was sticks, one was brick. So strong, wolf came knocking, big bad huffin', blew and puffed, no luck stuff. Wolfie, Wolfie, can't get in. Wolfie, Wolfie, you won't win. Little piggy's safe inside. Wolfie, Wolfie, run and hide. Straw house down, sticks house fell. Piggies ran, oh what a yell, to the brick house. Safe inside, Wolfie huffed all around. He tried the chimney, what a fool. Hot fire waiting, not so cool.